Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So friends, in this video we are going to show you how to enable or disable WhatsApp two-step verification. So to enable or disable WhatsApp two-step verification, at first you have to launch your WhatsApp application. After launching your WhatsApp application, you have to touch the more option, that is the three vertical dots which is located top right corner, this option, and then you have to touch settings option. After that you have to touch accounts option, and then you have to touch here two-step verification. After that you will see this screen. Here you will see options something like description: for added security, enable two-step verification which will require a PIN when registration your phone number with WhatsApp again. So now here we have to touch enable button, and then you have to here you need to enter 6-digit PIN which you will be asked for when you register your phone number with WhatsApp. So here you need to simply enter 6-digit PIN, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again you have to confirm the PIN 1 2 3 4 5 6. Friends, this option is optional also. You can enter your email here, or if you wish you can skip this option. Simply you have to touch the skip button, and then you have to touch OK button, and now you have to touch done button. See here two-step verification is enabled. So simply you have to touch done button. Two-step verification is enabled. If you wish to disable, simply you have to touch the disable button. I am going to from first option. Now to disable two-step verification, WhatsApp two-step verification, launch WhatsApp again, and then we have to tap more option, that is the three vertical dots which is located top right corner, and then you have to tap settings, and then you have to tap accounts, and then again you have to tap two-step verification, and now you have to tap disable button here, and then simply click disable button. Once you tap disable, your two-step verification has been disabled. In this way you can enable or disable WhatsApp two-step verification. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press bell icon. Thank you very much.